हेलो एवरीवन, सो मैं हूं जसनूर एंड आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं कैपिटल लेटर्स फ्रॉम एस टू जेड एंड विद दिस वी विल बी फिनिशिंग ऑफ विद द कैपिटल लेटर्स आल्सो एंड नाउ आई वुड वांट यू कि आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करें कैपिटल लेटर्स एंड स्मॉल लेटर्स को साथ में जोड़ना सो दैट आपको इनकी जॉइनिंग स्ट्रोक्स भी समझ में आना शुरू हो जाए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एस फॉर द फर्स्ट and you can always see the directions. I do mention numbers 1 and 2 at so that it's easier for you कि पहले क्या बनाना है. And best is sit with your papers and pen with me because I don't forward the videos. It will take the same time. You can watch video once and again start doing it. But don't do कि आप पूरा video देख लो फिर पूरा बना रहे हो. Keep making the letters with me as I am making. So let's start making S. Firstly, we'll make a simple S with a little extra curve. Like this, and from here we won't stop, we will go like this, and again downstroke will be shaded and we'll try to keep it on the right side. It's not a compulsion to keep it on the right side. If required you can do on left also, but it becomes more uniform when you're writing words, and that is how our first S is made. Or you can make S with another style also, and for this what we are doing, we are going to be starting from the entrance stroke from here, and I go straight up, I come down and I move like this. So don't get confused, you have to start from the entrance loop. This is upward stroke, then this is a downward stroke. From here we will shade it only till the time place it is downward, trying to keep it on the right hand side. Shading should be parallel. And then we come here and we can see it's a little downward stroke over here, so I'll be shading it like this. So you can make S like this or you can make it like this. Next let's make T. For first one you can make it simply in a one particular flow, that is you take your direction like this, the round curve, downward stroke with a curve, and then next is going to be जहाँ से downward stroke start हुआ है, we will make it parallel and we will just shade it. So either you can make it like this, or for the second one first make a line, that is a curved line. You can make it as curved or as simple, like this is more simpler. The one which I have made now is a more of little more curved than this, and I simply draw a downstroke. Now you can also make triangular when you are shading this, but I would be making it parallel only. But what you have to keep in mind is that this should be in the center. ये इधर उधर नहीं होना चाहिए. So that is how we can make T. So now for making U, what we have to do, we'll take a little curve, normal upturn, and we will stop here, and from here we'll take another loop like this and a turn. You can curve this turn if you want. Now I will be shading the downward parts as thick or thin you want. Try to keep this and this equal, and end should be properly merged. For the next one what we are going to be doing, नीचे से इसको U की शेप ही रखनी है, but ऊपर से दोनों तरफ से कर्व कर लेना है. So just shift this a little bit. You can do it like this, shading the downward strokes. It depends how many of these kinds you want to choose. You can practice one and use in all, or you can practice different and use in different variations. It's up to you. Then let's make V. For the first one हम लोग क्या करेंगे, simple entrance stroke लेंगे, no curve. We'll get down, and from here we'll take a little outward curve and turn. Then going down, you can go parallel or you can go triangular. As you can see in this, I've gone a little triangular rather than going parallel. and shading the downward stroke here. For the next one, instead of taking a direct curve, we are taking a curve like this. So I take a curve, I go down, I come up and a downward stroke like this. Right hand side rule, parallel shading. This can be triangular or simply parallel. So this is how you can make V. Then moving on to W. In a lot of alphabets you will see that we have made same alphabet small also, but the only thing is difference is going to be of the length. Big letters, capital letters will be bigger and some will be smaller. So for this, first step, simple entrance loop, an upturn, another upturn, and then it goes with a curve. Shading the downward portions. This is up, then this is down. Then for the next one, what I do is I take a curve here and then I make a W, and this will go only till mid. ये हम ऊपर तक लेके गए थे, इसको mid तक ले जाएंगे and a curve. Shading the downward parts. Just like this. Now moving on to X. In X you can see there's a very little variation, but for this first one we are going to make a curve like this. So let me make a curve, a straight curve, and we know this is a downward stroke, and for this we'll take a curve like this, which is an upward stroke. Try to keep it as much as midpoint. Then the downward stroke will be shaded again. So this is how I make an X. For second X, what I will do, again I will make the same curve as I made here. Just like this. And the second curve will also be the same. इसमें ये वाला curve हमने change कर दिया था, but इसके अंदर दूसरा curve भी हमारा same ही जाएगा. And of course the downward curve will be shaded and the upward curve will be left like that, because this was upward, उस पे हम कोई pressure या कोई shading नहीं करेंगे. Moving on to Y now. Start with a simple curve, small curve, go up, then another loop, and this loop will go up with a curve. Now we will shade all the downward movements just like this, and this. You can make a simple Y also by simply giving some curves to it like this, and these are all downward strokes, so we will be shading all of them. You can do it a little thickness में आप difference रख सकते हो. One can be thick, one can be thin. So this is how you can make Y. Moving on to Z now. One is a simple Z with a curve. So what I do is I make a curve, downward slanting slant, and a curve again. And again we will shade this on the right hand side. And for the next one, we are making a Z. And we will just shade it. And you can leave these entrance exit strokes जो हैं, इनको आप कैसे भी रख सकते हैं, because you will notice that when you're making words you will be making a lot of fluctuations and compromising with these. इनको आप change कर करके words में adjust करेंगे हम लोग. So this is how you make Z. Now you need to practice all these alphabets properly and practice each alphabet at least 10-15 times before you start writing words.